Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. If you want to learn a SQL or SQL basics or do a practice, then Databricks is providing a platform where you can learn different things in a SQL, or you can use their platform and you can do some basic queries or advanced queries according to your need, and it's absolutely free and you just have to log in and you can use it. How you can do it, I will show you. Let's start it. What you have to do is you have to open your Chrome and you have to type Databricks Community. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just click on this sign up for Databricks free edition, because we will use a free edition. So click on that and you have to just add your email details, so that for the verification purpose. Okay, now you can use accept cookies, and then what you have to do is once it is open, you have to add your email ID. So I will use my login email ID. Okay, because I have already 2 to 3 different accounts, so I will use one more different account so that I can show you the process of how you can log in. Okay, so you have to just, this is the basic authentication. You have to do your authentication. Once it is authenticated, then it will create your account in your Databricks. It's simple and easy method, right? So once it is authenticated, you have to just click on continue and then final. It will take some time, so just authenticate your credentials and then it will load and it will create your account. It will ask you to what exactly name you want prefer, so I just mentioned like P Quite, so my initial, and then so just, and my current location is India, so I will select India. Okay, and then accordingly I will click on continue. So now it will take hardly 30 seconds, I guess, to create account. And yeah, you have to just start your you have to play a puzzle so that you are not a robot. Okay, so 5, yeah, this is the 5 stones, and I will click on submit and my verification is completed. Okay, now my user ID and password and all, sorry, user ID and the location, and then I will click on continue. Now it's setting up my account, so it will take hardly 1 minute, I guess, but yeah, it will be a quick, and it's very easy, right? So you can learn multiple things from this Databricks Academy or Community Edition. It's a free edition, you don't have to pay anything, you just have to add your email ID and yeah, just do a verification. That's it. So this is the home page. Okay, and from here magic happens. Okay, so from here, if you see, this is the home page. Left hand side, there are multiple options available. So but what we have to do is we have to learn a SQL and do a queries. So you have to click on a SQL editor, and then there are multiple sample databases, and in each and every database it has a multiple tables. So I will show you that. If you see, so this is blank screen will appear, you have to click on that folder icon, then if you click on that, then your username and all this thing will appear. But we want that database, right? Sample database that we are talking about. So what you have to do is below this folder icon there is one more icon called a catalog. So you have to click on that. Yeah, it's a catalog. So from here you will get a sample database. There are multiple databases, information like New York taxi and all this thing. If you click on a bakehouse, then bakehouse related 4 to 5 different tables will appear. If you want to do a query on that, then what you have to do is you have to just click on a copy table path. Okay, and then you have to just click on SQL editor, because we'll open a query editor now. Okay, and you have to just apply simple query. Let's say if you select star from and all these things, like these are the different another databases, and it has a multiple columns and all these things. You can explore it according to your need, or if you want to do a practices on different data sets, then you can do it. Okay, I think new NYC is, I think New York taxi, so I think it doesn't have any data. Okay, it doesn't have any, they just created the table, but they have not added anything. So but yeah, we'll do a query on our bake house. Okay, so I just pasted this schema and just I have to apply this select star from. Okay, so let's try. you have to start the server. Okay, so once it is started, then it will execute the query. So I forgot to add from. Okay, now I added, and I just so this is the error initially, but if I run this, okay, now it will execute. So this is the table that we have fetched, and it has, I think, basically 4 columns, okay, and multiple 204 rows, and it's executed in 8.72 seconds. You will get a time also, in what time they have executed, and I think they I think previous error, because of that, that's why it's getting in a red. But if I execute again, then this red strip will removed. Okay, so let's say if I apply limit as 100, I just want to see 100 rows, then and if I click on run, then it will show only 100 rows, and it's executed in 1.14 seconds. Okay, very less time. So this is how you can execute a queries in a Databricks, and you can explore a different databases, sample databases over here. So yeah, it's very easy and very convenient. Anyone can use it. You have to just log in, and yeah, you are good to go. So this is how you can explore Databricks and SQL Editor from the Databricks side. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.